All right, I'm back after fucking around a little bit. Okay, and I also was thinking about how I want to do this. Yeah, I have a pretty good idea of how I want to do it. Okay, so fragment light. We are going to do a pass of just doing the shadow volume stuff, or not shadow volumes, the shadow maps. So this fragment light one's actually going to be more like a fragment shadow. So maybe let's just put that. Actually, no. Let's I mean, I guess the shadows are what is the light. Yeah, okay. I mean, as a proof of concept, maybe we could just do it like this. Yeah, we'll just do a proof of concept stuff for now. And we're gonna say where the light is, I think. Okay. So what do we got? We got color, position, normal. Okay. We don't really need the normal texture. I'll upload it anyways, but not really necessary. Color texture also isn't really necessary. It's really just the position, right? I don't want to do any of this. Okay, so I'm thinking for this light thing, we're just going to upload a coordinate for the light, for like where the light is. And if it's within a range, then that area is lit up. Should be easy enough. Methinks. And then all of this will be outputted to like a general light mask, because I want things to just all be combined together. So we will, I feel like I should have like things without the alpha channel, because the alpha channel is kind of just stupid. So I'll do it later though. It's fine. I don't want to like mess with the stupid like color formats. It's freaking annoying. Ugh. How do I do the depth texture? Do I use floating point? No, I don't. I use ends. Isn't that weird? Anyways, okay. Fair enough. So no shadows yet, but right after this I'll just do shadows, because it's basically going to be the same thing. You know, I really don't need those at all, so why even upload them? Okay, use size, VUV. They're enough. Okay. So let's do a sample. UV. Alright. So now we got the position for that individual place. And then we'll do this. Less than, I don't know, like 2.5. Then it's lit. Not lit. There we go. This is more or less a mask, so yeah. And we don't even need the size. Cool. Yeah. I think that does do it. Okie doke. Alright. That should be good enough. There's probably gonna be some issues with like the precision of the color buffer that holds all these positions, but I'm not gonna worry about it just yet. Oh, I forgot to, whoops, god damn it. Forgot to actually put the texture in there. Okay, cool. Now let's make us a new shader. Yeah, I forgot what it needs. It needs position texture. And light position. And what else? Comes for vertex screen, which doesn't need anything. Cool. Okay. Light shader. Let's do it. Shader 5. Vertex and fragment light. Light shader. Just load in some of these uniforms. Wasn't really consistent with the whole position thing, like spelling that out, but it is fine. Cool. Shader should be ready to go, I think. And we need a frame buffer for this. Just making so many frame buffers. Okay. Should be good enough. Alright, now we got a light mask. We should be able to render into it now. Oops. There we go. And then we want to use this. So our new light shader. And let's actually clear light mask real quick. We're also going to want to do some blending because we want to additively add the light in. Or do we? Wait, no, we don't want to add them. We want to, it's really just a masking type thing. I mean, I feel like a stencil buffer would have been way better for this, but I don't want to write so much more logic for stencil buffers. You know what, fuck it. We're just gonna have 0 alpha for that. That should make things a little bit simpler. And it will just be an overwrite instead. So that should do it. Cool. Okay, we clear that. And here we're ready to draw. Assessing uniforms. Light shader. True. We need set our light positions. Just do this real quick. Render's gonna have a nice list of lights. that's good. And here, let's initialize that array. Let's name it light list. It's a lot of lights. Is that how this works? Yeah, you bind it. Okay. Here's the position texture right there. Cool. So that's nice and binded. That does it. Got enable blending. It looks like blending works. I think it's enabled. Okay. Good shit. Should probably start breaking this up into different functions, honestly. Let's do that real quick. Okay, let me do that after it works. Before I break a bunch of stuff. Okay, I think that all looks good. I think I'll just add some lights in, I guess. I think I'll just make it anything with emissions. So whenever I add an entity, wherever you are, there you are. Check whether there's an emission for the model. just make sure that lights are specially added to the emission. Yeah. Cool. Everybody else should have 0 emissions. Entity, add model. Yep. Set that to 0. Okay. Yeah. Wonder what this is going to do. Nothing. Oh, looks like we have some errors. Can't cast from int to float. Let's see where we're trying to do that. Yep. Very true, I guess. More errors. Oh wait, no, there wasn't more errors. Oh no, I don't see anything. Let's see if we messed it up or not. Just to verify, set them to white. Oh, we don't set the light position. Not bad. We need light list I, and then say entity list. Oops. Transform position. That's one reason why it didn't work. So there's a couple other reasons why it's not working. It's still not working. All right. We made the shader. It's getting compiled because it gave us an error before, and we're in the right frame buffer. We gave it the position texture, which we've verified it's the right thing. Can verify this even harder by doing that. Okay. Something's broken. Actually, it's not broken, it's just face cooling thing. I'm not going to put it there, actually. That's a horrible idea. Because I'm totally going to like forget that I put that there. I think it's so confused when it breaks. So back up. Okay, good. I guess. Alright. What's the problem here? Oh. It's interesting. Not gonna lie. Oh. Okay. Super weird. I think this is definitely a precision thing. Just barely. Must be precision. Let's look at it. Okay, this might be a whole thing. Ugh, that is annoying, man. Color textures. Ugh. You know what? We're gonna do it this way. Okay, cool. All right, that's looking better. It's looking like a lot better. All right, let's set this to like 2. Nice. All right, that's what I'm freaking talking about. That's some light. Damn, that's cool. Okay. And then let's mix that light mask with the rest of the scene. Which we could probably repurpose this compose function. So maybe we'll try to do that. Oh, I keep forgetting you guys can't see this browser unless I like switch over to it. Ugh, that's fine. Alrighty. So I think I'm gonna keep this bloom thing. It's not really hurting anybody. And we're gonna change up some of these. So what am I thinking? Okay, yeah, sorry, I was just thinking about something else. Okay. Yeah. I was just thinking like how this mask could work. I was thinking like maybe we'd have it with when we do more passes, we can have like different levels of like brightness on everything and not just like these 2 levels of being like just on and off. But we don't really have to worry about that just yet, so I'm not really gonna think about it. So yeah, let's just let's pull in some basic stuff. View position texture. View light mask texture. I'm not gonna worry about bloom yet. And yeah. I don't want to do any color mapping either. So good. Actually, don't need the position texture anymore. Just color and light. Whoops. Accidentally hit cling format on that. Cool. You color texture, you like mouse texture. Alright, let's add that in there. Very cool. Alright. That may or may not work at all. Holy shit, it actually worked. Yo, that's actually really cool. Oh, that is so weird. The center must be down here. Didn't realize when I designed it like that. Very cool. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. feel like just this alone is really good. This isn't even close to like anything final. God damn. Well, obviously this has its problems. Like, for example, if I put a tile down, I forgot, it doesn't even. Like if I put a tile out here, it kind of breaks a bit. Like I shouldn't be able to see that through the wall. But, whatever. That is what the shadows will be fixing. Dang, that is cool. Yeah, I could put like more of them down too. Okay, hold up. Ceiling light. Oh, that is so cool. And I can make it like smoother. It's like that's. Dang! Dude, that is just so freaking neat. Whoa. All right. Yeah. Hmm. Well, that's some deferred rendering. So I think I'm going to leave it here because it's a pretty good stopping point. And I'll probably do all the shadow stuff by myself because that's just going to be like a lot of nuanced things, a lot of messing around and being funny. I will say like, we can make our code a little bit more organized if we wanted to real quick, considering everything's a lighting pass now. So we can do this. So I actually already wrote the functions up here. Okay, we could put these up there. Do geometry pass. Do light pass. Then this is literally just rendering to the default frame buffer. Yeah. think this looks good. Oh, damn. All right, yeah. Kudos to the people that are still here. Yeah, that took me a hot minute, but we got it. We got deferred rendering now. Very neat. I'll be probably pushing this to GitHub pretty soon, so if anybody wants to like look closer at the code, might even drop the GitHub link in the description. Yeah, see you guys later. Good luck.